We are also overjoyed to have Chief Operating Officer Instalim Private Limited. Madam Marshall will do the honor of gracing.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Minister of Arts and Culture, Sir Sanbor Shullai, the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Dr. G. Pandian, the Assistant Professor from Delhi, Sir Shoichiro Adichie, the Managing Director, the various government officers.
Empowering persons with disability is through innovation, technology, and compassion service delivery. It demonstrates the impact that can be achieved when government institutions, professionals, and private innovators work together towards inclusion and accessibility. I would like also to acknowledge the contribution of Instalim India Private Limited, a pioneer in advanced prosthetic technology, through the use of 3D scanning, digital design, artificial intelligence, and advanced manufacturing. Instalim is helping persons with disability regain mobility, independence, and confidence. Such innovations are making quality prosthetic care more affordable and accessible, especially in remote regions. I am also pleased to learn that along the Prosthetic Fitment Programme, a today continuing rehabilitation education CRE program from scanning to prosthetics, hands to on training in 3D digital fabrication is conducted by PDU and PPD in collaboration with the India Private Limited.